Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing the right clip for stem size and growth stage. This protects tissue as it expands. Once chosen, sanitize reused clips to prevent disease spread and inspect for damage. Now, take the plant to the bench and place the first clip 1 to 2 inches below the newest node so the stem can flex. Make sure the clip holds without compressing the stem. You want support, not a tourniquet. From here, you'll begin anchoring to the trellis or support. Once anchored, guide the stem along the support using a gentle L-shaped bend so you change direction without kinking. You should clip the stem to the support point but leave roughly 0.5 to 1 centimeter of slack so growth isn't constricted. Make sure to space the next clips every 6 to 12 inches depending on fruit load and stem strength, because too few clips let sagging occur and too many can limit expansion. While doing this, check leaf orientation, so you finish by reviewing every attachment and making final adjustments. Trim ties, move clips outward as stems thicken, and upgrade to larger clips when necessary. Make sure to inspect weekly for rubbing points, constriction, or early signs of fungal issues so you can act before problems spread. If a clip damages tissue, immediately release it, clean the wound with water and mild sanitizer if available, then resecure the stem above the injury to promote recovery. This keeps plants healthy and supported.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.